Hi, are you struggling of writing a cover letter for Upwork? Don't worry, I got you covered. I was struggling like you on how to write a cover letter under 5 minutes. I'll be wondering why, how, and these people do get to write a cover letter in Upwork under 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. And you see that a job that you can offer almost 20 to 30 people have already submitted a cover letter for this job. I will show you on how to write a cover letter for this job immediately under 5 seconds. Now, let's look down. I will show you some example of what I mean. Now, if you look down this. Okay, I guess this is a simple thing everyone can offer. I want to see if there is almost, oh, look at this for example. We have over 50 proposals submitted for under 55 minutes. Wow. And you'll be scared of meeting yours in this kind of competitions. Now, look at this job. It was posted under 5 minutes, and I want to show you that how to get this proposal submitted under 5 minutes. Let me click on this. Well, it would have gone a lot to 9 minutes, and if you look below, you still see, okay, this one says only Indian is the only interested in Indians. But let's say, for example, you are qualified to write a cover letter or to apply for this job. All you need to do is that since you've gotten the job description, I am looking for a tailing developer for performance, turning for my talent, job source, slow quick or target, blah blah blah. Well, I don't know what this one is talking about. Well, I will move on to another. I want a math tutor who can explain algebraic expression. I still move on to another and see something I can. Okay, let's look at this data visualization chart, and this was under 36 minutes ago. Okay, I want to look at how many people have submitted this job proposal. It's still less than 5. Wow, I believe we can still apply for this job. Now I would like to visualize, like in this example, starts. I will provide the data. We have enough 100%, and my name is based in Philistine, and my main team is based in the Philistine. Strong preference for candidates from here. Okay, this is a data visualization, and it doesn't talk about anything. Now I'm interested in the one that really talk about a skill. Let me refresh this and see if there's a new job posted under this minute. Oh, this one was posted 11 minutes ago. So let's see if we can apply for this job. I'm looking for a talent. Okay, this is the same job that was posted under those few minutes. Okay, data entry rules, script, Amazon, sellers, and Zoom, blah blah. Okay, let's say I can apply for this job because this job was given to me based on what I actually fixed, or based on the keywords I've chosen that I can offer the skills for this. I can actually deliver on this skill. All I need to do is that I will copy this and take it to ChatGPT, which everyone actually knows about. Now, look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to be very smart here, and this is what I expect you to do. You have to be very smart when asking your question, because whatever you ask ChatGPT, that's what it's going to give you. So you must ask your question in a way that the AI will understand you. So first of all, what I will do is I will say, hey, ChatGPT, write me a cover letter with experience for the job description below. then you paste it here, and you wait for some few seconds and watch how ChatGPT is gonna deliver this in few seconds. Let's say this was given to you, you got this job or job description under 5 minutes, and watch this, you gonna write this job cover letter under few minutes. Hi, I'm excited to apply for a data entry specialist position at the company where I can utilize my skill or experience. Now come down. In my previous role of data analyst experience, I was responsible for researching and gathering information about various companies using tools such as Zoom, Info, and LinkedIn. I have excellent attention. Now, this does not really apply to only this particular field. You can use it based on any particular skill you are offering on Upwork, and believe me, you will submit your letter or your cover letter immediately. Now I will copy this and take it to the Upwork and apply for this skill. Now watch what I'm gonna do. Now I want to give you this advice. If you know you can offer this skill and you know you have already done a similar job for this particular field, all you need to do is that you have to submit your cover letter, paste your cover letter here, then you upload the respective job that you've done previously on here, and you read through what ChatGPT has written for you. If there's anything for you to add, anything for you to subtract from this, you do it and modify it. Make sure that it looks very, very accurate. Now, if you feel like along the line that this job, this description or the job cover letter is plagiarized, I want to show you on how to make this look unique in few seconds. Now, we have it copied, or you can still copy this up. Then you go to this tool that we popularly known, or if you don't know about this tool, let's make use of this immediately. Hi, welcome to quillbot. This is quillbot. We're gonna paraphrase everything that has been written. Okay, I'm gonna paste this here. Now look at what quillbot is telling us. 233 words we pasted here, 125 words needed. Because we don't have a premium account, let's say for example you have a premium account, it's going to paraphrase this in just a few seconds. Since you don't have a premium account, we advise you just copy length by words by words. I can just copy the first 125 words. Let's assume I want to cut this out from here. I take this out, then I have 124 words. I quickly paraphrase these words, then we go replace it to that position and copy the next one, bring it back here. Now look at what quillbot has paraphrased for us. He said, I am excited to apply for this data entry position at a place. I'm thrilled to submit my application for this. If you're not satisfied with what it has written, you can rephrase this, and trust me, and we still have true there. Just come close to it and paraphrase it again. Then whoop, trust me, you will write your cover letter under 5 minutes. I believe you enjoyed this video. If you have fun watching this video and you learned a new thing, please hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to this video.